What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Flippin' West Georgia with me, your host, Alhue Gayle. So if you're new to this channel, and this is the first time watching these real estate videos, what I do, I flip homes. Where do I flip them? In West Georgia. I like to stay within my region because it's my backyard. It's where I know. I kind of know a lot about these homes and the pricing and everything else. So for me, it's best that I stick within my region. But anyway, here I am. I'm standing in the garage of another home that was just purchased. Just purchased this house last week, and it's time to renovate it. It's time to fix it, flip it, get paid, because that's what we do. But anyway, let's jump into the video. Show you guys around, show you guys the inside, show you guys the outside, go over some numbers, and then you'll share your comments with me at the bottom when you're ready. All right. So, like normal fashion, first off, for all the car guys, we bought the turbo out today. It's raining, but we got the turbo. But like normal fashion, you can see in the garage, people just leave all their garbage. Anytime you flip one of these homes, usually it's for all kind of different reasons, but whatever. They left, they got a Dell monitor over there, a bunch of whatever's in there, another monitor up top. There's usually all sort of treasures and shit that people leave around here. But anyway, we come through the garage and we come into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area, and this is the wash area here. You can see they left a whole bunch more stuff there. Yeah, so I'm gonna just redo this kitchen. Well, actually, I'm gonna go over that at the end with some ideas with you guys. But anyway, come out here. This is, we got the balcony, got the backyard. We'll go in there, back there in a few. But this is the living room area. Got very tall ceilings, which is really nice. Really tall ceilings. It's an active fireplace here. Just a nice living space. Come out the front door. This is the front door here. And just got nice landscape. Nice landscape. Nice neighbors. This neighborhood is actually a pretty quiet neighborhood, which is a plus. We'll come around here. We got the bathroom, which I don't know why they have carpet in the bathroom, but we're going to tear that up. Here, bathroom. I'm going to redo this bathroom, though, because bathrooms sell homes. And this bathroom is really dated with these tiles. So, come out here. Across here, we just got a little linen closet, or a little, coat closet. You can call that a coat closet. Come over here. Here we got a linen closet. So that would be your linen closet there. Come around. This is the master bedroom. Got the master bedroom fan, all full colors. Got the closet there. And then, we do have a little bathroom, which we're going to redo this one for sure. A little bathroom here for the master bedroom. Come across the hall. We got bedroom here. Got these windows are pretty thin. Might end up changing these windows out because they're just single pane and they're, I'm gonna see what the budget look like. But come around, that's bedroom number 2. Come around, we got bedroom number 3 right here. You can see they left the desk. That's just the front yard right there. And yeah, we come back out to the living room area. And we could go out the back door here. Come down on this back deck. and you can see it has a beautiful yard. That was actually one of the major purchase points for this house. Was this yard is just beautiful. There's actually a stream that runs down there, and you know, these two trees, these just fell recently, but gonna clean that all up. But all in all, like, the entire yard for this house is just a beautiful yard, which is gonna make it very easy to sell. So we just come around here. I'm gonna prune these trees here. Do a little walk around in the grass for you guys. Come around here. Beautiful landscape. We got a beautiful turbo, but this ain't about the turbo right now. You can see the entire landscape for the house. Very well laid out. The exterior is actually already painted and looks good. It actually looks very good on the exterior. When I saw this house, I couldn't believe, you know, the numbers of which I received it for. You can see the roof is actually new as well. That's the front door there. And just all in all, like, just the yard, you know, everything about the yard is just really beautiful. It's a really nice yard. You know, a yard anyone wanna raise a family or something. And you can see the lower brick on the house with the wood paneling, all in great condition. And just, I mean, you know, anyone could actually see themselves living in this home with this particular yard. I'm getting my foot wet in this grass for you guys to just show you around. But look how amazing this is. How beautiful is that? In your backyard, you got this running stream. Then you got this little area right here where you could just put anything. But yeah, how beautiful is this? And it comes from both ends. So it comes from that end, runs down there, and it all comes from up there, runs back down here. You can see they had like a little swing for the children. But how beautiful is this yard? Like, seriously. Like, I love this yard. This yard was one of the big reasons that I wanted this house. I couldn't believe, you know, the sale price, or the reason, you know, the basis of which I got this house was, you know, whoever was in it, they just couldn't afford their mortgage anymore. So I was able to get the house at a really good deal. But all in all, great house. Got the HVAC here, which is pretty new. Just gonna update some stuff inside, but that's all new. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the house. You saw all around the house. There is another like acreage on the other side of the beautiful side of the house that you saw, but I'm not walking over there because it's a lot of bush and I got shorts on and I also got sneakers on, so I'm not walking over there. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's the house. Contractors just here, just went over all the plans for the house, what's going to be done, what's not going to be done. Actually got to stay on a tight budget with this house in order to see a significant profit. So that's it. Leave the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this particular house. Gonna change the house color. Gonna change up the bathrooms. Definitely gotta do something about the bathrooms. The kitchen counter, gonna just change that up to like granite, because granite sells, and a few other things. But if you just stay tuned to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notifications, then you're gonna actually see when I upload the like midway or the completion. This particular project is only supposed to take maybe about 2 to 3 months at max. So I'll probably just do a full completion on this. If you're following the other project that I'm doing, that one's gonna take quite a few more months. As a matter of fact, I'm actually about to head over to that house now to see what's going on, because the guys have been working there very hard for about a week now. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming this far. And any questions you got, just leave them down below. I always try to answer every single question you guys have, and just kind of shed whatever knowledge I can shed to help you with your journey. But until next time, guys, thank you. Peace.